got a squeaky shower pan, put some foam down there, or you can lay yourself some adhesive. But I'm gonna go ahead and use foam here. Alright guys, so you saw me put some foam down. Actually helped a lot. You know, even with a base mortar down there, it really helped. You see there's no more squeaking. I can walk around super quiet. But earlier, I took the nail off several times. It was squeaking. But yeah, I recommend putting some foam down. And then of course you want to level it first. I do have a shimmer on that side, but it's so much more quiet, guys. So I recommend doing that. That's a trick. Add some foam down there. This is just a $2, $3 bottle fuel seal. I just spray down, lay the pan on top, and it worked. So excellent.